So the country has experienced a number of tremors. Actually, in the Greater Accra Region, 2 years ago, in June 2022, a tremor was experienced by residents around McCarthy Hill, Bawe, among others. It was an intense one, and it happened at night after 10 p.m. But how ready are we as a country to deal with these tremors if they go into major sprees? In this report by my colleague Fred Duho, he explores how ready we are by speaking to authorities and their prediction on the way forward in matters of earth tremors and, in some cases, earthquakes.
In 1862, magnitude 6.5 earthquake hit the coastal parts of Ghana, spread to Togo and Benin. This earthquake killed 3 people. In 1906, earth tremor hit parts of the Volta region, but no record of damages. In 1939, Ghana experienced the deadliest magnitude of 6.6 earthquake, which killed 17 people and left 133 injured. In 1997, magnitude 3.8 hit the capital, Accra, in January. The same year, another one with magnitude 4.1 hit Accra in February. Finally, on 6th March 1997, magnitude 4.8 earthquake hit Accra again. In May 2003, magnitude 3.8 earthquake hit Accra. In 2006, magnitude 3.7 hit Accra around January 2006. In September 2007, magnitude 5.2 earthquake hit parts of the western region, specifically Takoradi. In December 2018, magnitude 2.6 earth tremor hit Accra. Around January 2019, another magnitude 2.6 earthquake hit Accra. In 2020, another earth tremor with magnitude 4.2 hit some areas of Accra. Early this year, 2022, another magnitude 4.0 earth tremor hit the western parts of Accra. Today's event, according to the acting director of the Ghana Geological Survey Authority, Isaac Mwembele, recorded 3 separate events in succession with the highest magnitude. He explains.
3 earth tremor events occurred in parts of the Greater Accra Region. The foreshock occurred at 11:49 a.m. with a magnitude of 2.1. The main event occurred at 11:58 with a magnitude of 3.5. And the aftershock occurred at 11:58 with a magnitude of 1.8 on the Richter scale. The magnitude of the epicenter is located between Wiaboman and Buju Beach, and is about 575 meters into the sea. The recorded magnitudes are indicative of the extent of the tremor. The magnitude of the event, even the main shock, is a minor tremor, and so it is not expected to cause damage. The tremors were highly felt in areas like Dansuman, Mataiko, Weja, and slightly felt in areas like Legon, Amasaman, and Accra Central, which are far away from the epicenter.
He further assured the public to keep calm and take safety precautions during such events.
As to what people should be doing is for them to be educated on the response if such events occur. If you are in your office, if you are in your house and the earth shakes, what should you do? The first thing, if you are in an office, is to either go under a table or your chair. If you are in your house, if you have such things, you go there, or you move out to an open space so that should there be any structural failures, you are not affected. Sometimes you may also find yourself on an overhead bridge, either a flyover or something. It is advised that you immediately get off the bridge so that if that bridge collapses, then you would be safe. And basic education We collaborate with NADMO to do sensitization of various stakeholders and institutions on the response when such things occur.
He, however, bemoaned teething challenges confronting their operations.
We have challenges with our staff strength. We don't have our full capacity. We have challenges in terms of having a geotechnical laboratory, which we can use to do these kinds of site investigations and tests. We have challenges in terms of even the national observatory. It is something that captures data for the entire country, but we don't have budgetary allocations for it separately. And maintaining those equipments are quite expensive. So that becomes a major challenge in even transmitting data from where we are capturing the data to the observatory, where we can analyze